Would you agree that there are some attorneys who are excellent at what they do? There are some who are only good at what they do. And yet there are some who are less than ideal, less than good, and in fact some who shouldn't even be practicing. How can you, as a consumer who's searching for the right attorney to solve your legal problem, decide which one of these attorneys is right for you? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. So now, as you're searching for the right attorney to help solve your legal problem, maybe it was an accident, maybe it was a medical malpractice matter where a doctor did something wrong, maybe it's a wrongful death where a family member died as a result of someone else's carelessness. And now you don't know an attorney, and you're searching for an attorney to help solve your legal problem. But yet you don't know how to differentiate whether an attorney is great at what they do, whether they're super excellent, whether an attorney is less than good, whether an attorney is crap. How do you make that distinction? Well, there are a number of different criteria that you'll have to use to evaluate which attorney is right for you. Do you want a small firm? Do you want a large firm? Do you want a firm that advertises on TV? Do you want a billboard attorney? All of these things go into evaluating whether or not this attorney is right for you. But as you're trying to make this decision, ask yourself this question at the beginning. What is the attorney trying to teach me about my type of case before I ever come in to meet with them? Now that's an important distinction, because as you're searching for information, whether it's online or in an ad or in a newspaper clipping, ask yourself, what is the attorney trying to teach you? And if that information is insufficient, if they're not trying to teach you anything, but simply shouting out saying, hey, I'm great, come to me because I'm great, then the question for you is, what has the attorney taught me to help me understand my type of case? Yeah, everybody says they've got great experience, and everybody says they give personal attention, but so what? So how do you, as the consumer, differentiate one lawyer from another simply from that information? And the reality is you can't. So now you have to look critically to see what information are they providing to you. Are they giving you great educational information in the form of a video? Are they giving you great information in the form of articles or blog posts or frequently asked questions? Do they have free reports and books that you can read before you ever pick up the phone to call that attorney to see if they're the right ones for you? And if they're not, ask yourself, why aren't they doing this? Shouldn't they be teaching you and educating you about your particular type of problem before you ever come in, so that this way you become an educated consumer? So now you have less questions. Now when you do go in, you can have a great discussion with the attorney to say, hey, listen, I read your book, I read your materials, now I have just a few questions. Then you can make a real educated decision about whether or not this attorney is right for you. And then you can focus on whether or not you trust this attorney. Do you like what the attorney has to say, how he has to say it? Do you like his experience level? All of those criteria will help you better understand which lawyer and which law firm is right for you. So why do I teach you? Why do I share with you this great information? I do it because I love showing you how these types of cases work. I think it's really important, and I think I, as an attorney, have an obligation to teach you, the consumer, who's actively looking for an attorney to solve your problem, about how these types of cases work here in New York. You know, I realize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit and your matter happened here in New York and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do if you've got legal questions is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.